Wow. Okay.
Mm,
What?
good
No one,
evening.
no one go out. Okay. Bye bye, Ran. Goodbye. Yeah.
Good
Malay needs some
evening.
water.
Oh, you have been to your taekwondo class again. You're still
Yeah,
in
because
uniform.
Monday, Wednesday, Friday is taekwondo class.
Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Yeah.
Ah, so
And
each
I'm really
day,
hot today. I play in the playground with my friends and some sisters and brothers. Brother named Eden play with me. Eden's sister named Eun play with me, and Sumo Jong play with me together. And no Joey there. Joey cannot come today
why not?
because
Why
of
not?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. You finish your water first. Ta-da! Look at my fan.
Oh, I'm hot too. Can you give me some?
Yeah,
Mm.
It's Chinese.
Oh,
Somebody,
and you have
somebody,
some.
somebody gave this to me as a present. So,
Oh,
because it's really hot now in the
mm.
Philippines, so
And
I'm
I'm
using
really
this.
hot too.
Oh
Where is
my.
my one? I'm hot too. I have a fan here too. I put it somewhere. I'm hot today too. Where's my fan?
Do you have a
Oh, my
fan
fan is
too?
outside. My pen is outside now, and I cannot come out because mommy will be angry.
What do you mean mommy would be angry?
Because why you are here? I need to go to take some fan. The mom told me. Then look
Ah,
angry.
oh my. Oh, you finish your water first before we start. I have my water too. Here,
So
okay.
many, but I is so small.
And another one, and another one.
What? Hello, water.
Yes, I had two water bottles here because it's very hot in the Philippines. Very, very hot. And of course, I have to cover myself with a scarf.
I can
I
see you because of it so weird.
Yeah, it's
Some,
so transparent. You can see. So I
and now
use
I'm putting
this.
my knee.
So I use this to block the sun. If I go out and also to protect my
Like
hair
this,
also.
like this.
Yeah. Yes. To protect my hair because my hair is too long. It's going
Mm.
everywhere. Okay. Okay. So aside from your taekwondo class, what did you do today?
I went to
Did you go to
school
school? Okay.
and I come back home and
Came
I
back. Came
came
back.
back home and eat some bread, ate some bread, and I go to taekwondo and I come to the playground and play with friends and brother and sisters and that's it.
How long do you usually have for your taekwondo class? 1 hour?
I don't know.
Ah, okay. So, are you ready now?
Hmm.
Ready?
Yeah, I had my
Okay.
pink color.
Oh yeah, you can choose your pen color. What is your pen color today?
It's very pretty. It's pink. I like pink.
Oh, anyways, we are going to have short answers, okay? The negative of she is she isn't or she is not. Okay? The negative of they aren't or they are not. Okay? So example, look at the face of Tom. Is Tom happy?
Yes, he is.
Okay. Okay, how about this one? Is she happy?
No, 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 she isn't.
Oh, look at her face. She looks angry,
I
right?
think the friend is taking her toys and he be angry.
Okay. This time it's you, okay? Are you happy? Rina, are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Very good. Okay. Oh, are Ben and Ten happy?
Yes, they are.
Very good. Oh, you ask me this one. Oh, you ask yourself. You ask yourself,
Mm-hmm.
am I? Oh, are you happy?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So both of us, okay? Are we happy? Are we happy?
Yes, we are.
Very good. Oh, what's this?
I'm scary. I need to cover it all. It's scary.
Oh, that's a zombie. Okay, that's
Yeah,
a
I don't
zombie.
like zombie. I cover it up. I
Okay.
don't like.
What color are you going to put?
It's going to
Color
the
pink. Okay. Is it happy? Is the zombie happy?
I think so.
Mm, are you sure?
Don't waste that. I'm scary.
Is it happy? Yes, it is, or no, it isn't.
No, it isn't.
Yeah. Okay, we go to the next page. We have a new message. So this is an email. Okay, we are going to send it to james1234 at kongenglish.com. Okay, can you read it? Oh, please.
How you I
How howdy.
howdy. What is howdy?
Well, it means wait a minute, where is now my oh howdy means you express a greeting. It's like hi, hello, something like that. That's a howdy.
I had no one there.
Do you want to drink some more water?
Yes, but mommy Bengali.
Oh, so howdy. You say it's like hello or hi. This is
Hi,
a
how
great.
are you? In Korean is 안녕.
That's
안,
true.
or 안녕하세요.
Okay. Okay. So look at this one now. Look at this one. So you are going to answer the blanks here. There are missing words.
Mm, how are you?
Very good. Oh, please write R. The word R.
Mm,
Okay, how are you? Oh, next. Good. Check. Okay, what about here?
I
I blank your. What is the
N
missing word? Two
I
letters only.
R
Two. Oh, what did we say about letter I? What verbs to be are we
I
going to
R
use?
U U
Is, or are.
M.
So,
I am.
oh, please continue. I am
I am your new friend.
email
Email friend.
friend.
My name is Mina.
Okay, you can.
I'm gonna write pretty.
I am your new email friend. My name
Rina.
is.
I'm white Rina. Mm, Rina. Hmm. I write again.
Okay, my
Rina.
name. Oh, what is the missing word? My name blank Rina.
Brown Rina.
Oh, is, or are. Rina should be capital letter. The first letter should be capital.
Oh, then I write everything.
My name blank Rina. So
My
what is here? What's the missing word? Is, or are?
is.
Okay, very good. Oh, then you write Rina.
Okay.
My name is Rina. Very good. Okay. I. Oh, next sentence.
I live in. What is this word? Korea?
No. What is the. Okay, there are three syllables. Ah. Oh, I live in.
However,
Oh, how do you pronounce C and A?
can
Can,
can do.
Canada.
Can,
Canada.
but I don't live in Canada.
Okay. I live in.
But
You
you
can you can say I live in Canada, but I am from. Or you can write
from
Korea here, South Korea. I live
I
in
I
Canada, but
don't live
I.
Korea.
What's the missing word here? Is, or are?
I am.
I live in
I live in,
Canada, but
but I'm
I'm from,
I'm from Korea.
oh, you write Korea here.
But I cannot write Korea.
South Korea.
Can I just write Korea?
Okay, okay. Yes, you can.
Korea.
Good. Oh, next. What's the missing word? Is, or
From
are?
or
Where, where
are
are?
you from?
Very good. Oh, please write are.
I will only get your email
What is
per
this? What is this? What's the,
ID.
what, add, add,
And this address
oh,
what
address, add,
address
address,
what 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 you
address.
say?
Address is where the place where you live in.
Hmm. What is your birthday?
Oh, this is when. When?
When is your birthday?
Okay.
My birthday is my birthday is 1 January 9.
January 9. That's true.
And what are what are your numbers?
Oh, it's not numbers. It's not numbers. Oh, what's the sound
It's
of H and
eight
O? H and O.
hundred hobbies.
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 Hobbies. Yes, hobbies.
What is a hobbies?
Those are the things that you like to do during your free time. Like, for example,
Mhm.
oh, I like to
Please,
read. Oh, you like
please,
to play. Me, I like to read.
you like to do something?
Yes, hobby. So, example,
Mhm.
what do you like? You like to play with your brother and sister, right? You like to study. Do you like to study?
Yes.
Oh, see, that's your hobby.
I
Okay.
want this here.
Please write soon.
Who gonna write it?
Oh, then you can add your name here. Rina.
Who gonna I will write here?
No, do you want to write? You already wrote because you said, "Oh, my name is Rina." So James is going to answer.
Yeah, but Jim is not answering.
Okay, we have to send first. We have to send your email first. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, we have to click. We have to push this button, send button.
Okay.
Oh, send button.
But I cannot click. It's the same coming up.
It's yes, it's just a picture. Okay, very good. Any
And how
questions?
do I have a question. What
What is it?
where is your snack?
Oh, I ate again. I finished. See the purple bread again. I brought some purple bread and there's nothing left.
And
But
you have bananas?
No, I did not bring any bananas.
What is
Oh,
that?
so these are crackers.
Hmm?
Magic Junior. So they are crackers. Good for
Ooh.
coffee. Okay,
Coffee.
there's yes. So I'm going to eat dinner after our class and I'm going to eat um fried egg.
Hmm?
Then I had some sausage, one sausage, one fried egg, rice, and I didn't bring any dessert.
Mm. And what's your favorite food?
Noodles and bananas and many fruits, pineapple, watermelons. We have so many fruits right now in the Philippines. Very cheap fruits.
We are spring now and we want to eat apples, strawberries.
Apples are not really that expensive.
Yeah,
Expensive is strawberry.
yeah, because I like strawberry.
Yeah. Okay. So, it's, do you have any questions for this page? No?
Oh, well, who, but why he's crying?
Oh, who is crying?
There is crying.
Oh, no, no. Is he crying or he's not crying? Those are those are Bluetooth uh, air AirPods. Bluetooth earbuds. You know, you put your to your ear so that you can listen to the sound by yourself.
Mm,
Hobbies. Okay, so they like computer games. They like playing computer games. This
mm,
one likes playing computer games, while this one he doesn't like to play.
mm. Because he cannot do it very great.
Yes. Okay. Charlie. Oh, this one is Charlie, the boy with the yellow t-shirt, while Harry, the boy with the blue t-shirt, doesn't like playing computer games. Okay, you are going to use like when your pronoun is he, she, and it. Okay, remember this one. He, she, and it. You're not going to use like only if it is I, you, we, and they. Okay? Does,
Mm,
doesn't, or does not. Do, don't, or do not. I do, I don't. You do, you don't. We do, we don't. They do, they don't. Okay?
mm.
Okay, let us see what is next. 13. For example, okay. Oh, can you read this one first?
He
You
likes first.
like. Oh, look at the hand.
Don't like
He
fish.
doesn't.
But I like fish. Why do you not like fish?
What's the fish that you like?
Every fish.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Wait a minute. I'm
Oh,
going to show you.
every fish.
Oh, wait a minute. I'm going to show you some Philippine fishes that we have. Mhm. Hmm. Oh, this one is very. Let me check first. Uh-huh. Oh my. Uh-huh. I'm not sure if you like the following fishes.
Hello.
Oh, oh, this one. I very like this one. I really like this one. Wait a minute.
Oh, it, I don't like this fish. I like fishes big
Oh, this could be very big too. It's pompano. It's very expensive in the Philippines.
and Korean is golden. I like golden.
Oh, and we also like mm, 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 let me show you some milkfish. Milkfish.
Milk is made
Yes.
of milk.
No, but it is like it tastes like milk.
Oh,
Yeah, it tastes like milk. Where is that milkfish? What about shrimp? Do you like shrimp?
no.
Oh, this one. What about um crabs?
I don't like. Can you show me the red crab in your Philippines? I want to
Okay.
see.
Red crabs. Oh, there are so many crabs in the Philippines. Wait a minute. And don't you know that a teacher Lisa was beaten by two very, very big crabs?
Yes, I don't know that.
This one. So look, I'm going to show you my fingers, okay? This so that's why it's deformed. Look at my finger because they were bitten by two very, very big mud crabs. This one. So look at that
The
one.
same one too?
This this one, these two fingers here plus this wait a minute. Oh, look at. See? Because
Mommy?
I was bitten by the very, very big mud crab.
And two mud crab?
Yes. So it was very,
I
very
was
painful.
I was another crab, but I cannot move.
Wait a minute. I'm going to show you something. Okay. The mud crab. Wait a minute. Okay. The one who bit me. Very, very big mud crabs. Oh my.
You know
So,
that
so they,
you
t-
have a
so they turn red when you cook them. Can you
oh,
Oh, see, very, very big. Oh, look at this one, the claw.
mm,
So that's what bit me. Okay, so look at my fingers because I was bitten
oh,
by the mud
it's like
crabs.
this.
Yes. So I was
Always like
bitten by
this.
mud crabs. Except this one. This one is straight. It was not bitten. But
Mm-hmm.
this one, plus these two here, they were bitten by mud crabs. See?
What is
Very
brown? What is cook them is red.
Yeah, it becomes red when you cook them.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Oh.
So it was very
Mm-hmm.
painful. Can you imagine the claw? This one a very, very strong claw.
Oh.
S- Two.
And is
So
cook them is yummy?
yeah. Once cooked, it's very yummy.
Oh.
Okay.
And in
Okay.
there's baby cook class.
Mm-hmm. Oh, anyways, we don't have much time, so we continue tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.